Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to do a little unboxing. As I announced in the last video, I also purchased some filters for the DJI Action 2 camera that I have. This is a Freewell UV filter, and this filter's main purpose is going to be lens protection for when I want to mount it with a suction cup to the side of the car, or something that needs some extra protection for the glass element, because the lens of the DJI Action 2 is not or non-replaceable. So this is a single filter, should be magnetic and clip right in front of the camera. So let's take a look. It's sealed in some sort of plastic first. Place that to the side. Doesn't say much on the box, just 4K series UV filter for Action Camera 2 and some QR code for your guarantee registration. There's a pull or open thing on the side, which almost never works properly, but yeah. Let's see. There's a little piece of plastic in there would really help ease it up to just open this kind of stuff, but yeah. I always like when products come in well thought out packaging, and this annoys me straight. Not even out of the box, because I'm not even at the product yet, but yeah. All right. So once we have that out of the way, there seems to be some sort of protection case. I wasn't aware of that, but just a sturdy plastic case with some sort of protective plastic on top. And there's a single filter inside. And there is some paperwork, a nice little envelope. There's a small lens cloth included, some Freewell stickers, and some video tutorial card. I don't know if this is visible on camera, but it's all about the basics with a QR code. So what's ISO, what's shutter speed, what's aperture, what's frame rate, motion blur, nighttime shooting, why you need filters, how to shoot time-lapse, drone cinematic moves, and camera cinematic moves. So if you're interested in that, maybe you can get a QR code from this. And small little leaflet with their whole range of filters that they have available, I think. All sorts and sizes, ND filters, CPL filters, and so on. And also on the other side. So, nice little addition, probably to get you into buying more filters, but yeah. Let's take a look at the filter itself. Some sturdy foam in there. And for the rest, it's a piece of glass. It says that it's a UV filter, Freewell. The glass is on the outside, as far as I can see. And there are just two magnets on that side. Let's see if it's cat approved. It's just plastics. I'm just gonna get the plastics out of the way, and I think we can continue. So, small little filter, 2 magnetic spots on the rear of it, and it should just snap into place like that. And that's it. Nice, addition to the camera, and an extra layer of protection for your lens. I think this filter was 20 euros, I think. I'll put the price on the screen somewhere. So yeah, it fits nicely with the cage from Small Rig. If you haven't seen that video yet, I'll link it up there somewhere. So feel free to check that video out. And I'm going to show you some close-up shots of everything that's included, so you get a proper idea of what you're buying and what's in the box. So yeah, small little filter. It's nice, magnetic, feels all sturdy, metal, and proper glass. That's also important for me. And with a nice case included. I do think that the box for the size of the filter is a bit large, especially when you have a small filter. I don't want this many space lost in my bag, but might find something for that. And for this filter, it will probably be on top of the lens most of the time, just because it's for, I purchased it for lens protection. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions regarding this product or any other items that you see on screen, feel free to ask. So that was it for this video. Like the video if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more of my future content. Thank you very much for watching, and have a very nice day.